The extreme house of truth or dare. Like random chests everywhere. A cool stage and more chests. What is this, man? Pick a chest for the person on the stage. Dare. Okay, so who wrote this? I just wondering. Who wrote these? Jeff? Hey, Mr. Smarty Pants over there. Was that you? Did you write these? The mail guy. The truth is, do you have a secret crush in this room? And the dare is, confess your love to the first person you see. Skylar, you wrote this. Why you? I love you with all my heart. Yeah, I am not interested, so you can take your book, I would kill. Do you secretly want to kill someone? If you do, then who? Why is this, who wrote these? Who wrote this? Oh my. Why is this a thing? This ain't me. This is the books. I know my answer. Jeffina, Cyclopia, Musina, Skylar, Jeffe, Big Hefe. A person. Who's that person? Jeff, I feel like this is the part. Musina! Welcome to the day of Daycare! Yo, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? It's your boy Moose, man. So I've been playing some basketball and stuff, and somehow I went for a dunk, and my head got stuck into the hoop. And yeah, you're probably wondering, Moose, that makes no sense at all. But listen. As soon as I got my head out the basketball, this happened. Yeah, that's right. Hi, Jeff. What's up, buddy? How you doing? And oh, not her again. Hi, Skylar. How you doing? Hey, you like my new head? Do I look pretty cool? So yeah, I got my head stuck into a basketball and into a basketball hoop, of course, yeah. And then I tried to get my head out, and I managed to, but then like this happened. I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but listen, man, things happen for a reason. You know what I mean? That's just how it is, bro. Typical. You need some help. Ariel probably beat you so badly. Ariel is terrible at basketball. #1 basketball player ever. Jeff, Ariel is so bad at basketball. The dude can't even shoot it into a hoop, bro. And he's like, what? Like 5'2"? What a guy. Hey, #1. Jeff, and what does that make you? #0? No, I've seen him. Yeah, exactly. You can't do anything. #1 and #2. How does that make any sense at all? Okay. Anyway, Jeff, what are we doing today, buddy, huh? What are we messing with today? Are we gonna go play some Minecraft? Are we gonna do this and this and that? Gotta make some Fortnite. What are you talking about Fortnite? Wait, what? Jeff, can you ever like speak some English, man? Like, do you speak the English? My name is hello, my friend. My name is MooseCraft. I speak the Brick Boss. Hello, my friend. Russian Brick Boss here. How you doing? Breakfast, babushka. Yes, we gotta build. It's trending, okay? I know it's trending. It's understandable. I know it's tough times. We've done it already. Okay, come on. All right. What are we doing? We gotta build. What are we gonna build? Are we gonna build like a giant potato that's gonna be the size of the whole entire daycare, or are we gonna build a giant house, or are we doing like a challenge or forts? Do you even know what you're doing, Jeff? A challenge? Yes. Never. Then why do you even why are you the daycare teacher? I feel like we can do this on our own, right, Skylar? You can be the daycare. Actually, that's a terrible idea. I'll be the daycare teacher. CPMs. This guy. All right, let's do like a 24-hour one. Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Okay, let's do like a, I got an idea. 24-hour box fort challenge. Sounds good. In Minecraft. Oh, what's up? Yay! Yahoo! Awesome. Yo, subscribe, guys. Slap the bell if you want to see that, man. Let's go, folks. All right, so how do we do this exactly? What do we need? What do we need? Get a box. How do I get a box? I don't have any boxes. You guys have boxes? Hold on. Oh, they're just wooden blocks. Let me go buy one. They're just planks. Oh, and she's gone. Where's she going? Where is she going? What is she doing? Make! You can't make a wooden box out of this thing, man. What are you talking about? Hey, wait, box fort challenge. It's a box fort. Not like a wooden box or like a wooden crate fort. That'd be kind of cool. That'd be pretty dope. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Okay. All right. You know, I already have this stuff. You're out! are a nub. You are 100% a nub of boxes. Well, that's kind of lame, but listen, I got an idea. What if we use really, really small blocks? Okay? How about that? I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I got no idea. Can we, like, do we have boxes at all? There's no boxes, right? Ah, man, it's so lame. Oh, I see. Okay, come on. Well, what are you thinking of? Can I break this in? Oh. Wait, what? How'd you do that? What? What are you doing? What are you doing? How are you doing this? This makes 0 sense. What? Get in. No. Hold up. You're not going to trap me in a box. Jeff, do you see this? Jeff's like looking at the sky like, what is life anymore? What am I doing? Why am I a teacher? Typical. Jeff, how is she doing this? What? How? Give me some blocks. Let me do it too. Come on. I'm helpful. Yay! Wait, what? What? I can only place down 1. How do you place down so much? What is this? This is so crazy. Change the option. What do you mean change the option? Well, apparently Jeff rage quit because we were building the worst box out there, man. You know, it's not that good. And first of all, we're going to need some more space if we're going to make a box for a challenge. I don't know about this. I mean, it's kind of weird. Do you have any more blocks? Can you give me some more? All right, you know what? What do you mean? What I'm trying to say is this is too close to each other, and I don't want to be close to you. You're kind of weird. Yeah, just saying. Yeah. That's the point. Ow! Hey! That was mean. Give me my stuff back. Give me the block. Give me it. Give me the block. Give me the block. Oh, my bad. Oh, my. This game hates me. I made levels. I'm back! Hi, Jeff! Yay! What is this? Connected plane. Oh, Jeff, stop! Jeff, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? What's this? Drawn region, connected materials. So how do you put down all these ground things here? What do you do? What is it supposed to be? A half one. Oh! I did something. I did something here. Place him. I'm very confused. Why is it doing that? Oh my god, this is the weirdest thing ever, bro. What is going on? Connected materials. Oh, snap. So, oh, this is gonna be my place right here. Yay! Awesome. Perfect. Just like, my bad. Yay! Okay, cool. Boom. Look at this. Look at what I got over here. Like this. Nah, I like mine. I like mine the best. Yay! Awesome. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. My bad. My bad. Awesome. There we go. Give myself some privacy and stuff. All right. Awesome. Now I never got to see her again. Awesome. I like it. Cool. I have a box. It's a pretty cool box, I gotta say. Can you help me out with my box? Mine's kind of slow. Can I join? No! 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 Hey! No! Stop! Your box is lame, Jeff. Mine's cooler. I got my own box. I help! Jeff, no, you can't help. Okay, fine. You can build your own box. You can build your own box. Here's the materials. Have some fun. All right. Yay! Can you help me out, please? Is this kind of... It's... Oh, what? How? How do you do this so quick? How does one? You suck at this. One, I'm not the best, okay? Oh, my bad. Oh. What? How in the moose milks do you do that? What? Dude. Bro, that's radical. Huh. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, I gotta say. All right. Boom. I like it. Now, there's like these like random parts here that you gotta fill in. Just saying. Huh. Not bad at all, I gotta say. Not bad at all. Okay. All right. Awesome. Every box fort must have And now look. And a pool. We talking about a pool. We talking about? What? Huh? What kind of pool you talking about? We don't have a pool. And this window. Okay. So you want to make a second floor? How do we make a staircase? That'd be kind of cool. All right. Try it out. Let's try. I'm done. Wow, Jeff, look at you, buddy. That looks pretty good. And you're trapped in a box. All right, boys. Let's go ship Jeff back to where he came from, bro. I go to Alaska. Bye, Jeff. Ah, what a guy. We're always going to miss him, man. Jeff was a good guy. He's a very good guy. But too bad. He was a savage. Yeah. Oh, wrong thing. My bad. Oh, my bad. Do this. Line. Line. And then we do another line. And boom. Another line. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. And now, connect the plane. Nope. Maybe. See? How'd you do that? You. What? How do you make this thing quicker? Ah, Skylar! Help! I know what I'm doing. How do I do this? Hold Alt. Oh, what? All right. What? How do I do this? It's not cool. I made it like a boat. Up and I fell. I'm not good at this, man. I'm not the best at this guy's stuff. I don't know how to do it. What are you even making? I'm doing something cool. Gosh, never support me. Oh, Mom. Come on. How do I make the walls? Tell me! I'm trying to make walls. The second floor. What's so bad about that? Huh? Yeah. Come on. It's like the walls and stuff. How? How do you do that? Ah, whatever, man. I'll be on decoration duty. This guy. See? No, I do not see anything because I'm stubborn. I got a furnace. Now we're gonna need a crafting table. Awesome. And we're also gonna need. Oh, what? That's such a small crafting table. Whoa. And then, can we access this crafting table? Oh, we can't access it. Oh, man. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Reconnect the boxes. Oh, it's so cool. Let's do it. Boom. Crafting table. Oh, sorry. Accidentally broke the wall. My bad. Yay. And then, wait, we got more. Hold on. I broke this again. My bad. My bad. All right. Now, what we got to do is put down a furnace in this room right here. Okay. Boom. Furnace! Yay! Woo! Awesome. Now we got a furnace. And now we need a chest. Yes, we need a nice chest. Don't burn down the place. I ain't gonna burn the place down. Don't worry. Even though I make some super hot fire mixtapes, it's gonna be good. Yay! Alright, so we got a crafting table. We got all this stuff. Hi, Jeff! I like our fort, man. This fort is super dope. Look at that. It's so cool and stuff. And, like, you know, you can see through it and stuff. It's awesome. I like it. Alright. Now, what else can we need in our house? I'm gonna get a bed. I mean, a bed's gonna take up a lot of space, though. How about a hay bed? Ooh, that'd be kind of cool. Oh, right here. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Yay! This is gonna be my place. You suck at designing. I am not bad at design, okay? I am a very good professional boxer. Huh? What? Yay! I got a new bed. I like it. All right, so we gotta build more walls. Bigger walls. Bigger walls. Oh, my bad. All right, boom. Boom, and boom. Okay, so now all we gotta do. Oh, what? What? Oh my God, you can do this? What? How do you? What? So cool. Oh, I missed. It's alright though. Oh, snap. Oh, dude, it's so dope. Okay. What? I'm building walls. Look, it's like half complete though. I ain't the best at building walls, alright? I'm still learning. Oh, my bad. I made a porch. Oh, I broke the wall. Sorry. Still new to this. Awesome. I feel like I'm messing this up hardcore. Can you please fix this? It's getting bad. Like, I try my best, and this happens. But listen, we're making some progress, right? Yeah, we're making some progress. All right. Cool. So, what else do we need for a box 4 challenge? I feel like we need a ton of food and stuff, so I'm gonna get us a bunch of steak and things, okay? I got some steak. Yeah, awesome. And I'll get tons of moose milk over here. Perfecto. Just like that, so we never run out. I'm making walls. Awesome. And now, just in case things go bad and Museo tries to be weird, and also Skylar, I gotta pack this thing. You have to pay, though. What are you talking about? What is she talking about? I don't have money anymore, remember? What do you... Huh? What is she... I think she's crazy. Pretty sure she's crazy. All right. Get rid of this. Put this right here. Perfecto. So now, if anything ever happens, I gotta... Okay, I just gotta put the TNT right there. Perfect. Oh, hey, what's up? Yeah, ignore this. I'm decorating. Self-destruct. Trust me, how do you... Oh, got it. Awesome. Perfect. Cool. Awesome. Jeff, what are you building? Jeff, what are you doing? Hey, guys. Jeff here. I messed up. It's okay, buddy. It's all right. Gotta say, man. Yo, we gotta build a second floor. What are we doing? Come on, let's build a second floor. What are we sitting around here for? Let's build the biggest wall ever. Yeah, boom. Look at that. Skills, bro. Skills. Oh, my bad. My bad. All right, you build the walls. Here, I'll fix it for you. Enjoy. You can restart the whole entire walls and make it better than before. Awesome. Yeah, they were kind of lame. Awesome. Fine. Yay. Dope. Oh, I broke those walls too. My bad. My bad. Okay. So, all we need now, I'd say we make a brewing stand maybe because it's like water and such. It's a cool way to go about it. So I'll put a brewing stand right in here in Jeff's place. All right, right here. Maybe here. Yes, brewing stand right on top. Awesome. And then I say we get ourselves something cool. I'm thinking, what can we do? Yeah. Armor stand. That'd be pretty dope. Oh, because I'm a secret ninja at nighttime, so I'll get like my spec up armor. Oh, yes, that'd be cool. That'd be super cool. Yes, very cool. Okay. And then, what else can we need? What else do we need? Put down this guy right here. Maybe here. Yes. Boom. Boom. Dope. I like it. I like it. It's dope. Nice. All right. Boom. Awesome. And then a bed right here. Oh. Oh, my bad. Wrong place. Oh. Ah. What the heck? Yeah, I got it. Perfect. Now I have my own bed and military stuff. Cool. And overall, I gotta say, this crazy box fort is amazing, man. We did a great job on this, dude, for sure. Hey. Now, there's not really an interest in all, but listen, that's all right, dude. Awesome. Well, what do you guys think? Should we finish here? Wrap it up here? No, I did this. Jeff, what are you talking about? You haven't... Sure. You haven't done anything, I hope you realize. I'm so bad at this. Oh, my bad. Sorry, Skylar. My bad. We know. Yeah, I know. We know that you did this and all, but listen, Jeff, it's all right, buddy. I'm not the best at this at all. Just let Sky do the decorations, all right? That's her thing, man. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Hope you out there. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new Daycare video. Now, we're going to go do the 24-hour box food challenge here, and it's going to be a good time. So, see y'all tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe, slap the bell, and peace out. By the way, go follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. It's MooseCraft. Bye.